Crude oil, now we are based on daily chart. All right, we want to analyze the chart for the next week. As you can see, based on daily chart. All right, now the thing is, we want to see whether we get the correction. Since we having correction, all right, I mean the price is correcting here. Now the thing is whether we should look for the up move or down move. I mean, first, whether we can expect the price drop some more, we get the flat. Can we look for the buy? All right, and what we target, we want the price to break this high and continue. All right, that means what we expecting from what we have here in relative to this. Can we look for the up move or not? And another one is about the possibility again. This one, can the price drop or not? That means we want to know whether we get the up move or down move. Or also we need to bear in mind, how about we have this, whether we call it correction or flat, the complete the price move a bit higher, then drop. Okay, anyway, we are looking to what we have here and we see how we can trade it. Any of them, whether the up move or down move, we can take it, and we need to see how we can manage it. In this case, we move to lower time frame, we see how we can trade it. Now the thing is, we want whether this correction or flat can give us up move and break this high or not. All right, in this case we move to lower time frame. All right, as we can see, we're near to the top based on daily chart, and we want to see how we can trade this one. Okay, first of all, based on what we have right now within this range, we cannot take the buy. We don't have any trade set up. Okay, if we want to look for buy, we want the price to drop, we get this correction, then from there we look for buy. That means buying at the top. Based on what we have right now, we don't have any trade set up unless the market open and this one continue and give a different structure. Okay, now we want to see when the market open whether we can get the down move sell or not. Okay, now the thing is whether we need to wait, whether we get the sell from here, or we need to wait the price to break this high before we take the down move. It doesn't matter. Any sell, whether from without or with breaking the top, we take it. That means we're looking for the down move. Okay, in this case, when the market open, we see what we get from here, but any sell we take it. And if we get any sell, as long as the price come to this level, we start to manage. If there is a continuation, we keep. We expect the price to drop more. But if we see the price come here or break this low, we see it's not moving, we take out the trade. Then from there we look for buy. Because based on daily chart, we explain up move and down move, up both option. That means we want to look for buy. First we get the sell, the price come to here. If there is a continuation, we keep it. Based on the second option, based on daily chart, down move, we see the full structure was as a correction. The another one is we get the sell, the price coming to this level, we see it's not moving. We go based on the first option, based on daily chart, we explain. That means we'll have this correction relative to this for the next move up. Anyway, if we get any sell next week, we take it, and when the price come to this level, we start to manage it. And in this case, we move to lower time frame, 1 hour. We see how we can trade it. Okay, as we can see the price, all right, moving. We have this moving relative to this, and I put the line here. Okay, now the question: do we need to look for the price to if the price here we get? When the market open, if we get any sell, do we need to wait and price break this trend line before look for sell or not? It depends. All right, that's mean for me. It depends on the traders. But if you get any sell within this range, still you can trade it. But as long as the price come to this trend line, you need to see whether you need to keep or not. The another one is we need to wait for the breakout of the trend line. But I think if the price from here drop any sell within this range, we take. And when the price come to this trend line, we need to start to manage it. And after that, if there is any sell after the breakout, also we can take it. Okay, this is based on what we have right now. But if the price from here move higher, then for sure any sell at the top, we take. We don't need to think about the trend line. Then we don't need the trend line. If the price, when the market open, price continue and move a bit higher, move higher. Okay, and how about if when the market open, the price drop, it start to move similar to what I'm drawing this, like this. Okay, at that times also we need to look into this. How about if the price drop, you get the sell, we see it's not moving, it start to move similar to what we have here. All right, at that times we need to look into it. That means if the sell we want to sell is really close to the trend line, we need to for the breakout, but it's similar to what we have right now within this range based on lower time frame, still we can trade it. All right, anyway, we're looking for sell. It depends where we get the sell. As long as we get the sell, the price come to this level again, we need to start to manage. If there is a continuation, we keep. If not, then from there we look for buy. All right, and do we need to look for buy from what we have right now? I don't think so. We need is it good to look for buy in terms of the risk and reward, because first target will be this top, because we see the possibility even the price come to this high and drop, we have it. Okay, do we need to look for this range? It depends on the traders. Okay, how about if I move to lower time frame? That's why if when the market open they get the correction here, any buy setup they can take it, but whatever the buy they take, they consider as a short-term buy. As long as they get into the profit, they need to start to manage it. That means if we get based on lower time frame, you get the correction here. If you want to take the buy, the target will be this one, and the stop loss whether they want to put here or based on lower time frame, they want to put based on a little bit. I mean the below the correction. Anyway, we just follow the market and we see what we when the market open, what we will get here. But mostly we are more interested in the down move if we get the sell. All right. In this case, we just follow the chart, and when the market open, if I see any update, I will share on YouTube. Thanks.